The city was never truly silent. Cars honked, people rushed by, conversation filled the air, but no one stopped to listen. In a quiet corner of the street, there is a street performer who turned the handle of music box, filling the space with a faint melody. The performer is skilled storyteller, using a crank-powered puppet device to project a dancing figure on a screen for passers-by. By his front, a young girl, his apprentice, playing along on a small piano, trying to be part of the act. But then, something went wrong. The extra effect put too much strain on the music box. Suddenly, it made a loud cracking sound, and the gears inside broke apart. The music stopped. The screen of the music box was destroyed, and the puppet inside came out with its spring mechanism, and their whole performance fell apart. The people in the crowd looked disappointed. At the same time, they walked away. Their show had failed. The performers stood still, staring at the broken music box. The apprentice looked down at her silent piano. They had lost their audience.
However, despite their efforts, the world moved past them, uninterested. The city was loud, filled with distractions, and their silent performance was lost in the noise. Just then, it began to rain. With no choice, they ran through the wet streets, searching for shelter. That's when they saw it, an old abandoned theater, its doors slightly open, as if waiting for them. Inside, dust coated the velvet seats, and the grand curtain hung motionless. But in the center of the stage stood a mysterious machine. Its gear rusted yet filled with potential. The performer hesitated, then reached out. With a single pull of a lever, the machine roared to life.
The walls of the theater shimmered as moving pictures flickered across them. A symphony of sound. The rustle of leaves, the laughter of children, the crescendo of an orchestra filled the air. It wasn't like anything they had ever experienced. The girl gasped, her heart racing with excitement. This is what their stories had been missing. For the first time, they saw the true power of sound. It was not just an addition to storytelling. It was its soul. The performers smiled, realizing that silence had been their art, but sound would be their future. As they stepped onto the stage, they weren't just performers anymore. They were storytellers of a new era. In the end, the performer and his apprentice realized the true magic of cinema. Not just the moving images, but the power of sound to bring emotions to life.